Hey there, welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use your habit tracker template in Google Sheets. Don't worry, it's super easy and I'll guide you step by step. First things first, you'll find the template link inside the PDF. Just click it and make a copy. Remember, you'll need a free Google account to use it. Once the template is open, feel free to rename the file to whatever you like. Then, head over to File, Settings, Time Zone, and choose the correct time zone for where you live. Hit Save, and you're good to go. I also recommend making a copy of the main page before you start. Just right-click on the page and click Duplicate. That way, you'll always have a clean version to come back to. Oh, and you can rename your page too if you like. Some formulas and charts are protected so everything runs smoothly. But you can still edit things, and if you ever mess something up, no stress, just press Undo and it's fixed. Now comes the fun part. Let's do an example together. I'm going to set my start date to September 2nd. As you can see, the page name automatically changed to September 2025. Now, I'll type in my daily habits and group them into categories. Since today is September 9th, that day is highlighted in pink. I've added 18 habits and divided them into 6 categories. You can see them right here. You can add up to 40 habits and categories in total. If you ever need more space, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. Now, let's tick the checkboxes for the habits I've completed from September 2nd until today. Notice how the charts at the top update as I fill things in. The first chart shows today's performance. The second chart shows week-by-week progress. And the third chart shows how my daily habits add up over the month. At the bottom, you can see your day-by-day performance. On the right, you'll see your top 5 habits and top 5 categories for the whole month. Down here, every habit also has its own progress tracker. Since there are 8 days between September 2nd and September 9th, we count today as finished. The count shows how many times I've ticked the checkbox for each habit during those 8 days. The percentage column shows my performance for each habit. And right here, you'll see a colour-coded bar chart. A quick note. If you tick checkboxes before your start date or after today, your performance won't be affected. And the same goes if you tick checkboxes for habits you didn't actually add in the Daily Habits section. No worries at all. So that's the Daily Habits section. Now let's move on to Weekly Habits. Here, you can track habits for 5 weeks plus 1 extra period. You can add up to 15 weekly habits, and as you tick the checkboxes, you'll see your weekly progress right here on the left. Finally, at the very bottom, we have the Monthly Habits section. Here you can add up to 10 monthly habits. Again, the chart will show your progress as you go. And last but not least, the Notes section. This part is all yours. Write down anything you like. And that's it. Your habit tracker is ready to go. I hope this makes your daily routine easier and way more fun. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!